Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today we got a 2010 BMW 528i, and what I'm going to do is show you how to replace the right side fog light. Now the left side is going to be pretty much the same, but that's for another video if we ever change it. I don't know. But today we're going to change the right side. Alright? That's what's coming up on Astro Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astro Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastrostars.com.
Everyone, I'm Stephanie Pooch, and welcome to another edition of Astro Auto Repair. Can you dig it?
Alright guys, first of all, let's get in here. Let's verify it. Customer already know what they talking. Customer know what they're talking about. But let's get in here. Put the key on. Cut our lights on. Cut our fog lights on. Just this button right here. Kick it on. Let's go out here and check it out. Yeah, boy. That one is on. That one is off. So that's one we need to change. So as you can see, I already got the car jacked up. You want to jack the car on the right side, and you want to make sure you jack them up on these rubber or plastic padding right there. You definitely want to get that. Do not jack this vehicle up on this board. You will crack this whole running board, and you just be looking like a fool. The next thing you do is get you a jack stand. I got a jack stand set up over there. Again, do not set the jack stand anywhere up on this body, or you're gonna damage this whole panel right there. You are just gonna mess that up. So now where I got the jack stand, it's right up under the lower control arm, right where it sits right there. I didn't put it up under the shield or anything, want to damage anything. I set it right there. Alright, let's get our tools and we'll be right back. Alright guys, got my blanket down here. This is my Christmas blanket. Look at the snow face, because it's Christmas in a few months. So send me a present. Yeah, boy. Alright, let's get up under here to get this bulb changed for this customer. Alright, the first thing we do, notice where I'm at. I'm on the corner. Alright, now follow me up under the vehicle. Better yet, let's go through the side over here. Through the tire. Yeah. Now, you see that? Let me see if I can get inside there. Yeah, that's better. You see that 8mm bolt right there? There's one right there. One right there. And then one right inside here. We're going to get those off first. The first thing I got is my Big Bill ratchet. That's right. Big Bill sent me this ratchet from the cordless ratchet. This the Earthquake XT. Sent it to me. Thanks, Bill. I appreciate that. So I call that my Big Bill ratchet. And I got a long, a deep 3/8 drive, 8mm socket, or you can use a 5/16. All right, so let's get up under here. Also, I got my cordless drill, and I got my Phillips screwdriver bit on the end. You're gonna need that as well. Okay, let's get up under here. You know what? I might. I'm gonna turn this wheel a little bit. I'm gonna turn this wheel all the way to the right, so it can make it a little bit easier for us. Be right back. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Got that. All right. Hopefully we just gotta get those three, and that thing will come right down. Hopefully. All right. Let's get these bolts out of here. Again, we got 3 bolts, 3 screws. 1, 2, and then 3 screws. Let's get those 3 screws out, and then we're gonna go to our cordless drill with the bit. Be right back. All right, we're up under the car now. Took out the 1, 2, and 3. Now right here we have 2 Phillips screws, 1 and 2. So I'm gonna grab our cordless drill. Get up there. 1 and 2. All right, let's get those screws out and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got the screws out and the screws stay in there. Looks like they're held in my little clips right here. So that's all we have to do now. Just work this, hold this down, and get this cover. All right, what's that? Okay. Get this cover out of here. Doing this with one hand sucks. There we go. All right, got that cover out. Now there's our bulb right there. That's all we have to do now is turn this counterclockwise to about 45 degrees, and that will pop right out of there. All right, let's bring this down so we can work with it. Let's get from under here. All right, there it is. All right, to disconnect this bulb, you're gonna have two tabs on the side. One right here and one right here. And that's all you wanna do is squeeze those tabs together. In fact, hold on guys, let me set this camera up. Be right back. All right, here we go. Now we're looking good. What the heck is that bug? All right, now what you wanna do is squeeze both tabs on the side in toward the clip. And if you pay attention, you can look at the opening. Look at it opens up right there. So squeeze both of them till they open up and get that thing unplugged. Wow, that thing is tight. What the deuce? Man, you gotta be kidding me, man. A simple bulb. Whoa, dang it, almost. Damn, that would have been some money. All right. It came loose, we're good to go. Let's hook this other one up. This is an H8 bulb. So the customer got some Sylvania bulbs. When you touch these bulbs, guys, do not touch the bulb part itself. Do not touch the glass part, or you can shorten the life of that bulb dramatically. So you're going to carefully open this up. Grab it by the connector part. All right, continue to grab it by there. And let's get this plugged up. It only plugs in one way. You look inside there, so you can't mess that up. Plug that in until it snaps into place. Perfect. It's in there. Now we're going to go up under there and carefully put this back in the slot, in the opening. So let's go up under here first. Let's get a look at where we're going. We're going right there. Okay, that's good. All right, we're gonna grab it from the connector part. Put it in there. Turn it clockwise till it snaps into place, and it's going to be perpendicular right there with the housing. And that's before we put the cover back. Let's go out there and make sure the lights work. Be right back. All right, let's go over here. Make sure get this key in here. I don't even know. We gotta put the key on or not, man. Put that on. Put the lights on. Cut this on. Let's go out there and check this out, man. Did we do a good job or what? Look at that. Guys, I am proud. Guys, girls, I am proud. You just saved yourself some money. Yeah, boy. Let's get these, check these off, and let's get that cover back up there. Be right back. All right, guys, let's grab our cover. Let's go up under here. Matter of fact, let me set the camera up on the stand so it can look better. I can get it better so I can use both my hands. Be right back. Okay, camera stand ain't low enough, so looks like I've been doing this on my own. All right, here's our 3 screws right there, the openings. Now this one, you notice that this one over here won't have one of those metal clips right there. All right, you're gonna notice that because the metal on this one inside here, the metal clip is right inside there. So the thing, the shield, the cover is gonna go right between there. All right, so let's get this cover up in there. lot easier. There we go. All right, now we're going to start off by putting in our 3 8mm screws in first, just to hold this in place. All right, let's come out of the way. So let's get those in there. Yeah, so yeah, there they go right here. 1, 2, 3. Let's make sure they're all lined up first. All right, let's get these started and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got them all in. We're gonna start off by tightening up our Phillips screws, and these are not tight. That's all you want to do is just going just a little bit, just till they stop. That's it. All right, reach over here. Where's our big bill ratchet? We need our big bill ratchet. Where is it? There it is, right there. It's so tight now. Just reach in here. And these also, they're not super tight, just till it stops. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right, let's take our jack stand from under there and let this car down. That is a done deal. We'll be right back. All right, guys and girls, there you have it. How to change the right side fog light bulb, which is an H8 on a 2010 BMW 528i. Now, if you followed this video and you just completed this job, I got to give you a yeah buddy. Because you just saved yourself a minimum of between $60 and $80 to have this done by a shop. All right, check that out. All right, if you have any comments or questions, be sure to put them in the comment section below, or you can email me direct to tim@astralautorepairs.com. Guys, girls, this is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can.